Lack of funding. That's usually one of the main issues preventing business growth. Having realized this, the tourism industry in 2016 implemented a financing program for its stakeholders. A year later, there are numerous reports of businesses being able to stay afloat as a result of the Tourism Enhancement Fund Export-Import Bank Small-Medium Tourism Enterprises Loan Facility.
Truth is, right now, we are the only candy company in the country. And there was one prior, and we were using that person as our contract packer. But the machines were old, and they functioned like old machines. And the gentleman who owned that factory decided, I'm just not doing this anymore. And it could have been the death of the business. And I heard about the facility, approached Exim Bank, and we decided that this thing had to happen. It couldn't stop. At the time, we had great distribution in Jamaica. We had started doing export markets, and the momentum was necessary. But I needed new machinery. I needed more staff members because there were only 2 of us at the time that were running the business. And I needed a bigger space.
Let's pause the confectioner story and tell you more later on the sweet deal. Just like Miss Aaron's, there are several businesses in need of capital. The Tef Exim Bank loan is established for such a reason. The loan facility provides well-needed banking support to small and medium-sized tourism enterprises, those companies that play a part in the tourism value chain. Among those eligible are operators involved in spa and wellness, gastronomy, that's restaurants and food-related businesses, small accommodations, shopping and galleries, attractions, knowledge networks, and sports and entertainment, as well as manufacturers and suppliers. The TEF kickstarted the facility with a financial injection of $300 million of a committed $1 billion. Thus, initial funding allowed tourism operators to access up to $25 million each at 4.5% interest rate over 5 years.
The loans are going, accommodation was 21%, transportation 25%, shopping 6%, manufacturing 9%, gastronomy 5%, services 9%, spas and wellness 2%, attractions 17%.
As a result of the program's success, the TEF recently pumped more funding into the loan facility. An allocation of $350 million has been dispersed to the Exim Bank to continue the provision of loans to the operators of small and medium-sized tourism enterprises. The allocation represents the second tranche of the committed amount.
The bank has completed over 28 loan applications totaling $509 million under the SMTE loan program. Applications totaling 408 have been approved, with disbursements totaling $311 million.
Already in processing is an additional 25 qualified expressions of interest, totaling approximately $470 million. These figures give credence to a recent World Bank report, which stated that tourism enterprises contribute up to 60% of total employment and up to 40% of national income in emerging economies. Now it's time to finish unwrapping the sweetest story.
And with the facility, I've been able to move my staff count from 2 to 12. I've been able to move into 4,000 square feet of factory space. I've bought a brand new production line. Every hotel along the whole North Coast carries our products in the gift shop. It's been an easy sell for me to go into any hotel and say, hey, show me where you have the Jamaican candy. And they go, and I'm able to give them the bag of Jamaican candy. And everybody carries all my products. In addition, I am driven to ensure that when you go into a Jamaican restaurant and you buy a plate of curry goat or a plate of oxtail, you get a Jamaican candy with your bill.
Yes.
It has to happen. And so, thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Minister. I'm coming from a place where when I first wanted to start this business 2 years ago, I could get, and I say it all the time, I could get an unsecured loan for a carnival costume, and I couldn't get the same to start this business. And I'm happy that the conversation is changing, and I am coming back to you for some more money because we need to satisfy those orders. Thank you, folks.
For more information on the small and medium-sized tourism enterprises loan facility, persons may call the Exim Bank at 630-1400 to make an appointment, or visit its offices at 85 Hope Road, Kingston 6, or click on their website at eximbankja.com.